How to get unbanned from Ome TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get unbanned on Ome TV. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for video chat extension, and after that just open the first link that you will see. It says IP locator for Omegle. Just open it, and you need to add the extension in your Chrome browser. As you can see that I have already added this video chat extension in my Chrome browser, and you can see in the top right corner in my screen as well. And once you're done adding the video chat extension in your Chrome browser, you need to open the Ome TV app and simply log into your account. And once your account is banned from the account that you are using, the pop-up window will appear on your screen which says that your account is banned in your location in Ome TV. But in my case, as you can see that my account is not banned as of now. But if your account has been banned from your Ome TV, all you can do is just add the extension in your browser. What this extension will do is that it will open the video chat extension inside your Ome TV window, and from there you will be able to access the settings option in your Ome TV, which will give you lots of options to explore. And in the video chat extension option, when you will scroll down, you will see different options like interface, control panel, automation, geolocation, and gender location and blacklist. So all you have to do is just click on the do not ban mobile and just check the box, and you can also open the ban sound, which will give you a sound if your account has been banned or not, and just click on clear blacklist. And once you are done doing that, your account which has been blacklisted from your Ome TV will be recovered. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you have to do is just open the Ome TV from a different ID or email ID altogether. And once you open your Ome TV with a different ID or as a different user, then your account will not be showing as banned one. So this is basically how you will be able to get unbanned from Ome TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.